Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we're going to draw a circle. Then we're going to draw another circle. This is the eyes. We are drawing a beautiful bee here. Draw the antennas of the bee and then we're going to draw its wings. Let's color it and it's ready. Here we're going to draw a snail. For that we're going to draw this spiral and then we're going to draw the eyes of the snail like this. Look, the snail is smiling and the snail is holding a leaf as well. Let's color it and look, it is ready. Let's draw a circle. Then we are going to draw the V shape on the top of it. Two round eyes and we are drawing a cute little dog. Here we are going to write number 6 and 1. Draw the tail and it's ready. Here we're going to write number 6, 0 and 3. Then alphabet C as well. We're going to draw a lion here. Draw the round eyes of the lion and its pointy two teeth. Here we're going to draw the tail and it's done. Here we're going to draw a circle, write number 2 and then write number 3. You can be creative and draw different animals. It's fun way for kids. We're drawing a cute little bunny and the bunny is holding this carrot. Color it and it's done. Draw a circle with the help of this coin. Then we're going to draw a turtle. Let's draw the shell of the turtle and its 4 legs. Let's color it and it's done. Here we're going to write number 3 and look how creatively we are using only number 3. We are drawing a cute little bunny here. The bunny is holding a carrot and look, it is ready. Let's color it now and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.